There are many advantages of gardening like A. Improves your self-esteem. B. Your heart health improves. C. Gardening reduces your stress level. D. Improves your family bonding and many more. But you need to maintain your garden free from grass and weeds. Do you know how much a professional landscaping person takes? It is around $8,000. Why not give us a try with Greenworks 27022? The machine is equipped with 1. Stainless steel tines stay sharp longer for reliable performance. 2. Provided with full set of replacement tines. 3. It has 3-position tine, depth adjustment provides greater control. 4. The 14 inches dethatching path helps you to work fast. 5. Has a padded grip and adjustable handle for user comfort. 6. The machine is provided with a 10-amp motor. 7. The machine is provided with 14-inch 10-amp corded dethatcher and it runs on 120-volt 60 Hz AC, which is normal household current. Product dimensions. A. Size of the machine is 25.3 by 18 by 12.5 inches. B. The product weighs about 25.9 pounds and the shipping weight is around 29.9 pounds. C. The ASIN number of the product is B0030BG1HM. D. There is a Proposition 65 warning for the California residents. E. The product comes with a price tag of $120.04 and you save around 40%. F. The manufacturer Greenworks made it a zero-carbon footprint machine. You would get 4 years warranty, which is double the industry standards against defects arising due to materials, parts or workmanship. There are 4 other models with different price range to choose from. 1. Greenworks 27022. 2. Agri-Fab 450218. 3. American Lawn Mower Company 1204-14. 4. Greenworks 14-inch. Out of more than 2,000 customers who have used the product, 79% gave it a 4.6 out of 5 rating. Why not share your experience by writing comments below? Visit the link in the description to give this product a try. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel.